Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited popular 2024 motorcycles. In a triumph for motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide, Harley Davidson's latest flagship model, the Electra Glide Ultra Limited, has emerged as the darling of the 2024 motorcycle market. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, classic design, and uncompromising performance, the Electra Glide Ultra Limited has captured the hearts of riders of all stripes, cementing Harley Davidson's reputation as an industry leader. Boasting a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette and a powerful engine, the Electra Glide Ultra Limited represents the pinnacle of Harley Davidson's craftsmanship. Equipped with state-of-the-art features such as advanced navigation systems, touchscreen displays, and customizable riding modes, this motorcycle offers unparalleled comfort and convenience for riders tackling long journeys or navigating city streets. Critics and riders alike have heaped praise upon the Electra Glide Ultra Limited, with many lauding its smooth handling, responsive throttle, and luxurious amenities. From seasoned bikers seeking adventure to urban commuters in search of style and performance, the Electra Glide Ultra Limited has struck a chord with riders from all walks of life. The Electra Glide Ultra Limited is a game-changer, remarked one enthusiast. It's the perfect combination of power, comfort, and style. Harley Davidson has outdone themselves with this one. Sales figures reflect the Electra Glide Ultra Limited's meteoric rise to prominence, with dealerships reporting record-breaking demand and waitlists stretching for months. Despite its premium price tag, riders have flocked to make the Electra Glide Ultra Limited their own, eager to experience the thrill of the open road aboard Harley Davidson's latest masterpiece. Industry analysts attribute the Electra Glide Ultra Limited's success to Harley Davidson's unwavering commitment to innovation and quality. By staying true to its heritage while embracing technological advancements, Harley Davidson has managed to captivate a new generation of riders while retaining the loyalty of its longtime fans. As the motorcycle market continues to evolve, one thing remains clear: the Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited has set a new standard for excellence, solidifying its place as the reigning champion of the 2024 motorcycle landscape. With its combination of style, performance, and unparalleled craftsmanship, the Electra Glide Ultra Limited is poised to dominate roads around the world for years to come.